Hello, assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to Jesmin's Lifestyle. Today, Jesmin made chicken keema pasta bake, which we all love. আজকে আমি খাম লইয়া busy আসলাম তোরা, so Jesmin এর সবটা record করছেন and cook করছেন same time. First, you want to boil the pasta. Always follow the recipe that's on the back. Some pastas take longer to cook, and some can take quicker if it's fresh pasta. আমরা আরেকটা ভিডিও করছি একটা ফ্রেশ পাস্তা দিয়ে এগুলো বয়েল করতে 2-3 মিনিট লাগে না, so ইনশাল্লাহ ওটা এবার আপনার নেক্সট টাইম দেখ পায়. So once the pasta is done, you can chop up some onions and chilies ready for the chicken masala that we're going to make. If you don't like it spicy, you could use less chilies in this. আমি জানছি না জেসমিনের রেকর্ড করে আমি লুকাইয়া ফিজি দাইয়া টুনকা মারলাম তাই ডরাইয়া ফালাই দিছে জিনিস আমার বহুত ডরা লুক. So you want to cook the onions and chilies for a few minutes before you add in some curry powder, soy sauce, yogurt, little bit of garam masala and tomato, and just give it a good mix. Then add in some tomato ketchup and again just give it a good mix. You want to make sure the masala is cooked through before we add the chicken keema. Keema দিবার আগে আপনারা make sure করিও chicken keema balatki clean করা হয়েছে. Give it a good mix and just make sure that the keema is nicely mixed in with the masala. You want to stir it every minute or so whilst the keema is being cooked. To add a bit of extra flavor, we also gave it some Maggi liquid seasoning, just a couple of teaspoons. It really brings out the flavor in the keema. So to the pasta, just before we add this to the dish, you want to put in some onion salt, chili and garlic salt and some oregano. Dish prepare করবার সময় আপনারা oven on করেন 180 degrees ও গরম হইবা লাগে. Once you've added the powders, give it a good mix and then we'll start layering the dish. First you want to add in the pasta as the first layer. Then you want to add in the chicken keema. Try and make the layers evenly across the dish so everyone gets the same flavors. Then on top you want to add the cheese. আমরা এখানে দুইটা cheese use করছি, grated mozzarella cheese and grated mature cheese. Our daughter is quite young, so we're going to do some separately for her with less spices in there. So once the oven is warm, you want to add the dish into the middle tray and leave it for about 20 to 25 minutes whilst the cheese gets nice and golden on the top. এই রেসিপি বানাইতে অত ইজি আর সিম্পল আছে আর সবে বালাফায় এই পাস্তা বাচেনতে বালাফায় বা. And there you go. I told you, it's really simple, really easy to make, and everyone will love this. Comment below with your favorite pasta dish and let us know what you enjoy. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe if you have not. Comment below as well. We'd love to hear your thoughts on this dish, and once again I appreciate the support and love we are getting from the YouTube community. Lockdown inshallah shesh hoibo soon, and inshallah we should have some amazing content for you in the future, so please hit that bell icon so you get the notification when we upload our new videos. Take care and thank you for watching. Bala takyo, shustu takyo, Allah Hafiz.